The Vanuatu archipelago has preserved a unique and complex tradition of sand drawings. They are not merely pictures, but refer to a combination of knowledge, songs, and stories with sacred or profane meanings. Prepare a banana leaf garnish and put to one side. Chill a coupe and put to one side. Collect a cocktail shaker and add honey syrup into it. Fresh lime will bring natural acidity and balance. Galliano is one of Italy's most iconic liqueurs, famed for its herbaceous and vanilla spiced taste. Brugal Extra Vio, distinctive smooth style, has woody spiciness, notes of orange peel and vanilla. Add cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Empty ice from the coupe. Fine strain. Top with champagne. Affix banana leaf garnish onto the rim of the glass. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.